Starting an LLC in Wisconsin is a smart way to protect your personal assets and officially set up your business. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps so you can start your LLC with confidence. The first step is choosing a name for your LLC. Wisconsin requires the name to be unique and not already used by another business. You can check availability on the Wisconsin Department of Financial Institutions website. Make sure your name ends with LLC or Limited Liability Company. Once you have your name, the next step is filing the Articles of Organization. In Wisconsin, this is called Form 502. You can file online or by mail, and the filing fee is $130. This form officially creates your LLC. After filing, it's a good idea to create an operating agreement. Wisconsin doesn't legally require it, but having one helps outline how your LLC will be managed, how profits are shared, and how decisions are made. Next, you'll need to get an EIN, or Employer Identification Number, from the IRS. It's free to apply online and is needed for taxes, business banking, and hiring employees. Finally, Wisconsin requires you to file an annual report each year to keep your LLC active. The filing fee is $25 if you file online, and it's due on the anniversary of your LLC's formation. And that's it. If this guide helped you understand how to start an LLC in Wisconsin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more simple business tips.